Hello students, welcome again. In this video we are going to talk about the IDE installation for Arduino. IDE is Integrated Development Environment. So to download the software package we need to go to the Arduino website, and there we will find two options. One is offline IDE which we can download and work on, and the second one is online option which is using an online editor. For both of them we have to go to the Arduino website. If we want to work with the offline version, we will go to the download section. Once we go to the download section, it is going to show us that this is the latest version of Arduino IDE, and according to your operating system, which one do you want to download? In this training, I am going to work on Windows OS, so I am selecting Windows. If you are working on Linux or Mac OS, you can select accordingly. Once you select your operating system, you will be taken to the next screen where it will ask you to donate something or download without donation. So you can download it without any donation. There is no registration or installation fee from Arduino community. You can save the exe file for Windows and the relevant file for other operating systems. I am going to show you now how to install the software in Windows. So once you open the exe file, it is going to show you the license agreement, and you can read and click on the agree. Now this is very important. It is asking you what are the additional drivers that need to be installed. So please make sure that you click on install USB driver and associate INO file. Creating a startup shortcut or desktop shortcut is optional, it is all up to you, but do not forget to click on the USB driver option. Then it will ask you for the path. You can install it at your place of convenience, and it will take only a few minutes for complete installation. Once the installation is done, the sketch will open like this. Coming to the online version, you can visit the website create.arduino.cc/editor. On this, you can create a free account and login. And once you log in, here the environment is also same as you get in the offline editor with a minor variation in the layout. So here is the option of creating a new sketch. You also get inbuilt examples, and you can save and upload your sketches using the online editor as well. There is another option that we have, and that is called Tinkercad. It's an online version which is not available as offline software. You have to visit tinkercad.com, and this platform not only provides the coding support but also the simulation support. So in the next video we are going to talk about how to create your account on Tinkercad and how to access the platform. Thank you.